you still confused about the optional subject? Have you not yet decided which optional you are going to choose, or which optional will get you the assured 250 plus marks in your UPSC mains? So don't worry, we are here for you. Sociology is one such optional which can get you assured 270 plus marks in your UPSC examinations. So for this, we have come up with the 5 free orientation lectures for sociology. All of you can register free for this 5 series of lectures. In these free lectures, we are going to discuss in detail the introduction to sociology and various concepts of sociology which will help you get the clarity of this subject, and also you can make up your mind to opt for this comprehensive sociology course. So in the next video, I will discuss the various 5 topics which I am going to discuss in these free 5 lectures series. So get ready and join us with this beautiful journey of learning. Thank you so much.